Hello everybody, only me. I think I'm on the mend slowly. But there again, you go one step forwards, then you go two back. But I'm told to rest more, so I'm afraid this is going to be a small one. If I've got the energy to get into this box, that is. Because I don't know whether I have. Oh, for God's sakes. Why? Oh, thank God for that. I thought it was going to end up being a whole video of me just opening a box. This is the summer edition. And whether I finish it or not is another thing, but we will try our best. Even if it's only, what, 10 minutes. Better than a kick it. Oh, wherever. Right, so here we go. I'm going to pick one of these, and I think it's going to be that one. Because I haven't seen that pattern. I love that pattern. There you are. So, it's not very flat there, and I haven't got a light there, have I? Okay. So, I'm going to have to somehow work this out, which I should have worked out beforehand, but as my brain is just not functioning, it decided it wasn't going to function either. Nothing was going to function. I don't even know what I'm talking about now, actually, but we will see. Oh dear. Just right. Let's see. I need to lift this up, don't I? But then I'm just led to the fact that I haven't done any more of my January challenge, and and I should do that, but that is going to take far too much concentration for me at the moment. Oh dear. Maybe beginning of next week, over the weekend or next week, I will start it. Doing it again, but in the meantime, what have we got here? Oh, a pair of flipping flip-flops. Well, that's exciting, isn't it? Oh dear. Oh dear. Sorry about that. Oh God. And breathe. Yeah, I can't laugh. Right, so oh God, here we go. Here we go. Let's do a, oh God, I'm knackered. Hopefully we're in shot. Are we in shot? Yes, just about. I know you can see all these little lines coming through. Oh God. Oh, but it is nice to be dotting. Oh dear. Yeah, so I think it's the antibiotics that are starting to work. My cough is slowly, you know, expressing itself, shall we say, and getting out there. Oh God. It's just so horrible having it in the middle of your throat. Oh dear. Yeah, this is what I mean by one step forwards, two back. It is exhausting. I certainly wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. If I had an enemy. Well, I probably have got enemies, but I wouldn't know about them. Oh dear. Right, let's go for Z. Oh God, why did I choose Z? Look, B5200, as if I haven't had enough in this one. B5200. Some ways I wish I brought my iPad down, because then I might have been tempted to do a bit of that, but well. That noise you hear in the background is the cat on his scratch post. Oh dear. I looked in my cupboards thinking, oh, I feel a bit hungry. I looked in my cupboards and I thought, don't fancy any of that there. Oh, I forgot. I still got some broth. Oh, I can have that. That's what I'll have. Yeah, I get I've had a pot of soup and I have half each day because it's enough. With a slice of bread, it's enough. You know, this munching tablets, it's just constant. I never know where I am with my normal medication, with the extras, etc. It's all a nightmare trying to work it out. I've taken to writing it down. And I have an alarm. Actually, I have to reset my alarm to include these new tablets. Because earlier on, I had two paracetamol I'd fought to get out of the packet, and I put them on the side ready. Now, I think I did these ready for around about 2 o'clock. But then, in my head, because I'd been munching them quite regularly for the past few days, I placed the tablets in my mouth, just about to swallow down, and I thought, oh, I did already have these, didn't I? And then I ended up holding a bit longer, and then I spat them out, and of course by that point they were fizzling and blech. And I confused myself. I didn't know whether I'd taken them or not previously. And actually, I could have answered that because they were out on the side, already out of their packet. So no, I hadn't. But because of that, I'm now going to still wait, just in case, another few hours. So that means when I look at my notes, even though I've got my notes there, I'm not believing them, because then I think, oh, maybe I did take them and I just forgot to write them down. And there's no point me writing it down now because I don't know what time I took them. So I just would like count 4 hours or 3 hours from that point that we're on. So I think I'm going to have to set the alarm clock and only go by the alarm clock when it tells me to have the paracetamol. Oh dear. But well, how is everybody? Oh dear. Has the new year's certainly gone now. It's 2024 totally kicked in. It's reality there. Another year. It's oh, crying out loud. All I can say is at least my throat is not as red raw as it has been. Oh, don't get me wrong, it still hurts a lot, but it's a darn sight better than it has been. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. I had a nice long shower last night and I was worried for fear that steam would really set it all off, but it didn't. I mean, yes, it did to a certain extent, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be. So I was thankful for that. So I might just have to go and sit outside the shower again. Well, last night I was in the shower, but this time I'll sit outside the shower. Has anybody booked their holidays? I haven't. I don't go on holidays. I don't do heat. I can't walk very far. So I'm a bit of a nightmare when going on holiday, I should think. I used to go on holiday down south with my friends. I used to go to the camping, and that was fun. But the last few times I couldn't do it. My back was just absolute pain. This was before I had the scooter and all that lot, and I was still trying to walk places. And it was lovely seeing everybody, but I just couldn't join in. And also I didn't have the money either to afford all the treats. That was a fair few years back though. My kids were younger. Oh God. Try not to talk, try not to breathe. And I think I've got all those. Yeah. Excuse me. Oh God. Oh dear. Excuse me, I've got to go and try and get some air. I don't know whether I'm going to Desi, you've been fed. I'm not feeding you again. Sorry about that, folks. I don't know how to edit it all in together, so I can't put a pause. I don't know how pause doesn't seem to work on my phone. Jay. Oh dear. Oh, this is a nice minty colour. Oh, it's 747. It's the wrong minty colour. It's supposed to be blue, and it's more green, this one. Oh dear. Oh. I think I'm going to go and have those paracetamol. That and my soup. Oh dear. Did I have my, I don't know whether I have my antibiotics. I must have done. Oh dear. Oh, right, enough talk about colds, coughs, antibiotics, pills and potions. How's everybody getting on with their challenges if they're doing it? Some of you are very near to finishing. I'm so envious. But my boys, they're doing okay. Oh dear. Oh, where are you? There you go, there. And there. Oh dear. Right, that's that. That. I had to do something. I thought I might as well try and make 5-10 minutes worth to do a film if I can, because otherwise just the days are just blending into the same old, and then I'll get out of what's the word, routine, and that would be terrible. So yeah, I'm fed up of being in my bed all day, and I am resting, but it's just, it doesn't seem to be enough. I'm still just as tired. Oh dear, I'm gonna have to do me blood sugars in a bit, because I think I'm going a little bit low. X marks the spot. X for a kiss. X for Shaozan. X for Yizan. X for Abandon hope, all ye who enter. X marks the spot. Oh, now I should try and multiplay, shouldn't I, really? I've forgotten how to. And also it's a case of, yeah, I've got to do a little bit more thinking of lining it up. And so I think I'll go back to May. Because my eyesight's clearing up a bit. It's all a bit blurry and a bit watery and... Oh, God. Right. I'm going to do this one, this X, then I'm going to do 7, and then I'm going to stop because I feel another massive cough coming on. Oh dear. 7. There we go. 906. No, 906. 996. All right. Let's see if I can do these in. Come on, I can do this. I can. Ooh. Ooh. Get in. Thank you. Okay. Slowly cooking on gas. Oh dear. I want to watch a nice film, but you know, like in the old days, like when you were kids, and the only films that sort of came on were like, I don't know, David Niven style films or Peter Ustinov. Yeah, it was a good old Agatha Christie. Yeah. But quite nice. Or things like Ice Cold in Alex. Daniel, with what's his name? What's his name? Quayle. Is it Anthony Quayle? And a young, what's his face? John Mills. Yeah. Oh dear. Oh well. Right. I think I better stop there because I'm starting to get more and more quiet, and I'm literally running out of steam. And half of me wants to finish them, but then I can't. So I've done a bit. So slowly wins the race, as they say. It's a little something, a little taster session to get me back on track. And right, I then will love you and leave you, and I will see you very soon. Take care, everybody. Love you, big hugs, and thank you so much for all my well wishes from you all. Thank you so much. Okay, bye bye.